bridge is called the Øresund Bridge that will connect from Stockholm to Denmark. Ayan, kaya lang, so because we are already in nighttime, ito lang yung nakikita
We are in
natin.
the ocean already.
Yeah, those are oceans, ocean, ayan. So, ayun, you need to pay before you get inside. By cash, by card, or you can pay in advance. But because we have a Finnish plate number, we cannot get through the application. So we could pay the credit card. Yeah. So maybe we will pass by here again, going back to Stockholm in daytime para mas makita yung
How
view.
much in pesos? 60?
The 61 euro is about 4,000 euro pesos. Because when you say it's 100 euro, it's almost 6,000 pesos. 6,000 pesos, Philippine pesos. So in because it's just 61, it's about 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. Estimated lang. Yes, this is the bridge, expensive bridge na. Kailangan natin kunin ng video kasi interesting. Here in Europe. Ayan, focus lang tayo. So it's about 1 minute, 2 minutes drive. So, based on my research, is about 8 kilometers long. Ayan. Super hangin. So, ingat-ingat lang po tayo because it's so mahangin. Oh, nice. Binabayaran mo yung daan dito. Grabe.
Nice one.
So, I will so, kumigawang-gawang po yung ating sasakyan kasi masyadong mahangin. So, we hope that we have a chance to drive here during daytime also. Very huge bridge. Diba kumigawang-gawang? Anong feeling? Turn off ko na ba to? It's 3 minutes already. Yeah. It's fine.
Sulit din yung 60 euro.
paying for 60 euro just to pass by this bridge. Shout out to our sister Jutessa Cardenas and Jesper Anderson. See you from this bridge. Diba? Sayang. So during daytime it's more nicer when it's daytime. So we have a chance to see the view at the side here, that side to side. It's an ocean. So if you search in the Google map, type the Øresund Bridge. So makikita nyo sa map anong itsura nito.
Oh, land naman ito.
Yan, it's just a land. So 8 kilometers, that's 8 kilometers. 8 kilometers, it's about 4 minutes drive. And then you're driving a 102 speed limit. Nice. Is it satisfactory to punch your card to that machine? Huh? Shimmer, how it feels? Sige, kwentuhan mode ka muna tayo hanggang
Nilapan na. 455.
Ewan ko kung naririnig ba ito, but it's kasi medyo maingay sa labas yung reach natin is still part of
Tunnel lang.
wow, this is 10 minutes. Copenhagen.
So, dagat na po. Tunnel.
So we're heading to the tunnel again. Oh, 10 minutes.
Madala na fast forward.
Ha?
Fast forward.
Fast forward na natin. Ayun na. Oh. Sige lang. It's fine. Maganda oh. Upload ko yan. 10 minutes. No voice recording na. On live video. So ilang minuto din to. Oops. Kaganda. Ilang minutes to kaya?
3,500. So, nasa 3.5 kilometers. Tunnel.
I-edit ba natin to? 3,000?
3.5 kilometers. 3,000 meters.
So ilang minuto? Mataas?
Yes.
Muna natin. Kasi abot tayo ng 10 minutes. Para hindi na tayo mag-edit. 2,500 meters and see you. Meron pa po tayong background. Nag-uusap pa kami dito. Kung nag-decide kami i-off ba yung binayaran namin. May punch. Grabe ka, 8 minutes. Sino po mag-aakala mo ka? 8 minutes. But anyway. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Okay. So we still have 1,500 meters. Para kang DJ ngayon, magsalita ka naman dyan. Wala kang walang background music to. It's all spontaneous. 1,000 meters na lang naman, so let's go. Let's go for the gold. 9. Kaganda oh. 96 speed limit. And then 500 meters. Yes. Dapat ganito. Stay put lang kayo guys. Stay put. We're coming. And welcome to Copenhagen.